I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken stock in a pressure cooker. First, gather your ingredients. About 2 pounds of chicken bones, a few carrots, celery stalks, and an onion. You'll also need a large pressure cooker, at least 6 quarts. Make sure your bones are clean. You can roast them first for deeper flavor, but it's not essential. This method saves significant time compared to stovetop simmering. Now, place all your chicken bones and prepared vegetables into the pressure cooker pot. Add any herbs like bay leaves or peppercorns if desired. Pour in enough cold water to cover everything by about 1 inch. Secure the lid, set the valve to sealing, and cook on high pressure for 45 minutes. After cooking, allow for a natural pressure release, which takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Once the pressure has fully released, carefully open the lid. Using a fine mesh sieve or colander lined with cheesecloth, strain the stock into a large heat-proof bowl. Discard all the solids. Their flavor has been fully extracted. Allow the stock to cool completely at room temperature for at least 2 hours before transferring it to containers. This prevents bacterial growth and ensures safety. For short-term use, store your cooled chicken stock in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. For longer storage, freeze it in smaller usable portions like 1 cup or 2 cup containers. It will keep well in the freezer for up to 6 months, ready for your next recipe. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your rich, homemade chicken stock in soups, sauces, and more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.